This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 64 of Building Optimus Prime from the Transformers movies. This time we are starting the arm, left arm. I'm thinking about how the hand I made last time. Yes, that's definitely a left hand. So we're building a left arm. So yeah, this one, the left one. Let's get to it after looking through the magazine. A story with sound. Yeah, sound design. The Transformers. I can hear the transforming noise in my ears now. Can't make it. I'm not going to try. But yeah, you know the noise. In the family, we're looking at things from the olden days in the cartoons. Blaster. The name sounds familiar, but I can't say I recognise the droid, the robot. Another tape deck, I think, was it? I don't know. I know Shockwave was he looks like a good guy, but I don't know. Autobots, robots in disguise. Yes, we know about the Autobots. Through those, if you want to pause and read the words, obviously, hopefully, the quality and the focus is good enough for you to do that. But the building, that's what we're here for. They're starting on the left arm, part one of the left arm, the left forearm. Got lots of bolts, screws, plates and things to do. Make that up and then we attach the hand to it. And we've got that completed and ready for building the next bit of the arm next time. I do like it. It's really coming together. It looks really roboty and mechanic, which is obviously what we're intending for. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this built. So we've got lots of parts supplied this time. We've got the hand from before, which I have glued the little extra armor pieces onto just to make sure they don't get lost anymore. We've also got our wrench from way back when, issue 44 apparently. So we're starting off with some screws. Probably not that many, but there we go. There's a couple in there, so I'm sure we'll need them all at some point. We're going to start by attaching this joint, which is where the hand is going to attach to there, with two of these screws. I do like that at the moment, anyway, we're only using one type of screw per issue. Especially with my vision at the moment, differentiating different screws and types and things like that is not as easy as it used to be, or should be, or once will be again. But for now, it's nice that it's just the one bag of screws, and that's what you're using this time. There we go. Let's get that screwed onto there. Like that. Then this bit goes on the back like that, and there's two more screws to go into there. Hold that together. One in there, and the other one next to it. So we have it. Nice. Fine. And then we get to put these bits together. We've got the nut that goes in there, and that's partially held in place with this ring. It does matter which way round that goes. So let's see, it goes more this way. These are slightly offset. Got that on there. In that general direction. Then we're not doing anything else with that at the moment. We're putting these discs in place. Now they are different. So there's one of each basically needs to go together like that in there. See, that's going to locate in place So that and that. And then we've got this bit that goes on the top. Make sure I get that the right way round. Yep, that way round. Then the other two go together on top of that. Like that. And then, of course, this other half comes over the top. Hold all of that together. That's going to be the tricky bit. But not really. That's actually gone together quite well. The joint moves around at the moment, but you can feel it sort of clicking if you get it in the right place. Now that goes like that. Have I got more screws to hold this together or not? Not screws at the moment. We've got this pin that goes through there. Right, hang about. Let's press that down gently while I have a good look at the instructions. Definitely like that. That definitely goes over there. Right, so we've got this, which has got one of these split washers on it, and then a flat washer, and then that goes through the bottom here, through all of that, through the top piece, and then that goes on the top like that. I got it. We need the wrench to tighten that together. That going in, it's tightening somewhere. In there, that's on there. That works. I'm quite happy with how that works. No, it's not working. It felt it was tightening onto something, but it wasn't. And me nuts just fallen off. Not like that. Be good. Put that back in there. Then we can get that tightened in. That feels like that's definitely holding that in place now. There we go. That's that. I can use the other end of this. Make sure that's nice and secure. There we go. Not too tight because I do need to be able to bend the elbow. Although when it's longer, it's going to be easier. Now I'm going to loosen that a touch. Pretty sure we're going to be able to get to this joint anyway, so we can adjust the tension on that as we need to. Yeah, there we go. You can even hear it clicking into place nicely. So I'm going to go a little bit tighter than that because, as I say, when that's longer, that's going to be easier. But I don't want it moving on its own. Although it's only this bit that's going to be moving, which has got no real weight to it. I'm happy enough with that. Those two I shall keep for later. And it looks like the other screw we don't need. I thought there would have been another screw holding that in together. Maybe not, or not yet. Anyway. Oh yeah, there are two more screws to hold that together. So yeah, I do need two more screws from this packet. Leaving one, which is normal for there being spares. The two screws go in from this side. There we go. Yeah, there are two screw holes there. Hold that together. One and one right up this end. And then the final part of this is this ring, which goes over there. It's got little cut out pieces, so it's got to go that way around. On there like so. And then we just have to put the hand in place. And that just pops onto that bit there with that bit there. Like that. There we go. So we've got hand, wrist, partial articulation. That's fine. And we've got the elbow there as well. So that's probably the outside of the elbow. That's probably the inside, maybe, or the outside. It's one side or the other. But there we go. We've got an arm, which is mostly plastic, but still feels quite substantial. I'm quite happy with how that's come along. And that is another part of this build completed. Join me next time when we're continuing with the arm, and stay safe until then. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.